What did you say?
Fucking no!
It's snowing! We thought we'd left the snow and winter behind in Romania, but we're in Austria and it's snowing. Good morning from a small town in the Alps, just outside of Innsbruck.
Look at him running to catch the bus.
Yeah, we just bought our tickets to Innsbruck.
I think we got the right one.
We got the right one?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only one, so it would be weird if we got the wrong one.
It's so sunny.
Yesterday was pouring rain the whole day. And now
Yeah. I took my charger, but I didn't take my phone. You took your phone, but didn't took the charger. Yeah.
These are the outskirts of Innsbruck. Welcome to Innsbruck. Wait, let's... liegt ins Dunkel.
Oh my god.
100% vegan.
Wow.
Well, Innsbruck means, well, In me is the name of the river, and Brück means bridge. It's the bridge over the bridge or something like that. We can.
Okay.
You want to walk a little bit and then go there?
Then we go to the strudel.
Yeah, it's pretty, yeah. And with that guy getting arrested over there.
We think he has a coronavirus.
Yeah. That's what happens to people who escape northern Italy. Alright, so this is the golden roof.
It's a little loud.
Where you going, buddy? So I have no idea what these are, but someone obviously thinks they do. This is in front of the golden dackle.
Let me get something. No. Give me. No. Stop it.
I'm glad you didn't say makes you want to have one. Spaghetti. Do you feel like last night in the van we had bad gas? I'm gonna have the bacon and onion burger. Kalina's gonna have the vegan burger. Austrian burgers. Oh, Bunny, that looks so good.
Yeah, I know.
It's really good. Before, we just had our delicious burgers, and now we're looking for strudel. Bunny, I think the strudel's that way. There's the strudel cafe, the one we were looking for. We stopped here, turned around, and then walked for another hour before finally getting back here. Look at all these strudels. Mango strudel, Michel strudel, Topfen strudel, apple strudel, strudel, apple strudel and ice cream, cappuccino and sesame seed something. This strudel is wunderbar. Wunderbar. Guten Morgen van Innsbruck. That's all I got. It's really cute. Look at all those mountains. Surrounded by mountains. And the old town. Willkommen. Das in Innsbruck.
You are being paranoid. It's about me dropping his phone.
Because you already dropped the phone.
Hey, I did not.
You dropped it this morning.
No, that was my phone.
Lemonade! To the what?
To the castle, to the museum.
Yep.
Yeah?
Let's go.
You ready?
Yep. Now they are very loose because I've had them for about 6 years. They're not these pants, my underpants.
Ah, your underpants.
And mainly my thighs are chafing. Just not being able to walk a lot because your size changes.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, by the way, we were thinking of going to a theater play, but all the plays have been cancelled because
Coronavirus.
There was too much weight.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Guten Tag.
How's your warm hand, bunny?
Huh?
That's what you call it. I don't know what it's called. I forgot.
And we out. Got Innsbruck. Now we're going to our van. We stay another night there. Alrighty, so we're about 5 minutes out of Innsbruck, and we just sat at McDonald's. Got our directions sorted because we ran out of internet last night, and we're gonna have something to eat while we drive. Got some stuff from Lidl. And now we're just waiting for Kalina because she saw a garden shop and she wants to get more plants. Find somewhere in this little space to put more plants. On the road again. Look at this view. Beautiful, huh?